In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flows in Salesforce. This is an essential skill for automating business processes and improving operational efficiency. Let's dive right in and explore this process step by step, making it accessible and manageable for you. First things first, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you open up Salesforce, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is the setup menu. Clicking on this icon will take you to a vast array of options, but don't worry, our focus today is specifically on creating flows, so it's pretty straightforward from here. Next, you'll use the quick find box, which is typically found on the left-hand side of the setup window. Begin typing flows, and you'll notice it popping up in the results. Click on flows to move on to the next stage of our journey. This brings up the flow builder interface, which is where the magic happens. You'll then want to click on the new flow button. This option is usually quite prominent and easy to spot. At this point, you'll face a selection of flow types. You can choose from options such as screen flow, record triggered flow, and more. Each type serves a distinct function, so you'll want to make your choice based on the specific needs of the task or process you are automating. Once you've selected a flow type, it's time to start adding elements. These can include elements like screen, get records, assignment, loop, and decision. Each of these components serves a vital part in forming the structure of your flow, so it's important to clearly define what you want each element to accomplish. Now, you'll need to connect these elements with arrows to outline the logic of your flow. Think of this as drawing a map. Each element represents a point of interest, and the arrows signify the paths between them. This visualization helps in understanding how data and logic move within your flow. An essential step before you finalize your flow is to set the start element. This tells the system where to begin when the flow is triggered. Once that's done, move on to saving your flow. A prompt will appear for you to give your flow a name. Make sure it's something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. After your flow is neatly saved and named, the next step is to activate it. This is crucial as it allows the flow to function within your Salesforce environment. Simply click on the Activate button. Finally, consider where you'd like to apply this flow. You can add it to a page layout, a lightning page, or an existing process, depending on what suits your requirements best. And there you have it, a fully functional Salesforce flow ready to streamline your business operations.